What's up guys, it's Seth here with Vicrez. Today we're going to be going over the process of installing the rims on your new car. Now we completely assembled the rims and the tires in-house along with the valve core. If you're wondering where you can find any of these products, you can go to the website at www.vicrez.com, and on there you can type in the search bar VZN123908 and our tires should pop up. Now we have a wide variety of tires that we can ship to you and rims. If you're wondering what the VZ on the rims is, it is VZN110792. We also went ahead, got these lug nuts. We also have some of these in-house if you're wondering where you can find some. Now these match up perfectly with the black on black as well as the Vicrez symbol in the middle. You can get chrome versions or black versions depending on your preference. Remember always to be safe when installing the rims on your car. Rims can be kind of heavy. It can be helpful to sit down and lift with your whole body so you can get the rim on the bolts. We also use jack stands just for extra precaution, as well as using the jack to stay under the car. That way, nothing will fall on us. These are also wide body rims to match our wide body theme on the car. Let's go ahead and install those now. So you're not hunched over, go ahead and sit down and lift the rim up to get it onto the bolts. Once you've done so, you can go ahead and take your lug nuts and hand tighten them down before proceeding to further tighten them with the impact. Now, as you guys can see, it's going to lightly torque them down to go ahead and seat the rim properly before further tightening. And you want to make sure you go into a star pattern to ensure that the rim has even pressure across it. Now if you have one, you can go ahead and use a torque bar to make sure it's torqued to the proper spec. Now once you've done so, you can go ahead and let the jack down to put pressure back on the suspension kit, and then you'll be able to see how the wide body rims fit on your vehicle. Now once you have the car down, you can go ahead and see how the wide body rims look.